How's it going, guys? This is Patrick Houston giving you the best of what's around. Today, we're going to talk about finances. My nephew, Nasir, posed a question to me like, how could he get his finances together in general? He's 18 years old. He just got out of high school. He has a job at a Chipotle that is in Radnor, PA, which is roughly 20, 30 miles from his house. He lives in South Philly down by the airport. And I told him was to quit his job at Chipotle and find a job at a supermarket, say ShopRite, that's more like 7, 8 blocks from his house. I also told him to buy a bike for $100 and ride his bike when the weather's good. Bum rides off of his mom when the weather's not so great. Reason being is the money that you'll save, for SEPTA is $25 a week at least, plus all the hidden costs. You're riding a bus, you stop by a store, go get an egg sandwich, you'll save at least $100 a month. If you times that by 12 and save your money, that's $1,200 a year. You combine that with your tax refund. Average kid gets a tax refund between $500 and $700. You got yourself $2,000 to buy yourself a car to get a better job. You flip your entire career in a year. You just gotta stay with the suck for a year. That's just a tidbit of advice. I'll try to come up with more of these as questions come up. But until then, you live high, you live mighty, live righteously. Take care, guys.